Okay, we are at 41466 Giddy Up Circle, Aldie, Virginia. We're going to be replacing a shingle on this roof. This one here is the one we're going to be replacing. And looks like there. All right, the shingle that is under the box is the one we're going to be replacing. So we will need to be lifting at least 2 rows of shingles above in order to release this shingle to replace it. All right. Hold it there. Okay, as you can see, first of all, it showed this shingle has just under a 5-inch reveal. To lift this shingle, we're only lifting it at just under 2 inches. And according to recommendations, we are allowed to lift it at a 45-degree angle, and which would be all the way up to 5 inches up. And right now we're probably about a 22 and a half degree. All right, go ahead. Just wanted to show that we are lifting it well underneath the recommended allowance. Do see some matting coming loose once it's being raised. All right, here, stick this back in your pocket. Take a look real quick. Okay, so we do have some matting tearing loose. Also, you can also see some crease marks in here. Granular loss. Also some over in here. Again, by releasing it under the recommended allowance. Nailing in, you can also, if you notice, you'll also see the granule displacement falling away. Okay. All right, got our shingle replaced. Grab my tape so it don't fall. Hold on, clip it. Okay. All right, so if you look at the shingles above, you can see the crease mark there, granular loss, some matting here that is torn off. There. Because of the matting exposure and the tearing, which will allow for a little more rapid increase in UV deterioration and a possibility of water leaks underneath. It's going to require to have additional shingles replaced. And because of that, I would consider this replacement a fail.